What's up, guys? How you guys doing today? Let's say you have like 1 million naira, maybe from savings, from gifts, or you're also finally paid. What are the smartest way to actually multiply that money? In this video, I will share 5 business ideas I will personally start if I have just 1 million naira in Nigeria. They are real business, they are practical, and they are still ongoing in 2025, even 2026 and more. So without being said, let's dive right into this video. Don't forget to like, share, and turn on the notification bell. Yes. Number one is mini importation. With just 300k or 400,000, you can actually import hot products from China like phone accessories, perfume, smartwatch, or even kitchen gadgets. You can resell them online or even resell them locally. You can use websites like this to actually order them. You can use websites like 1618, Alibaba or AliExpress or even Temu. Pay a shipping agent here in Nigeria. You get your product between 1 to 2 weeks, then 1 to 2 weeks, right? So you can actually sell your product on Jumia, Kanga, or even WhatsApp and Instagram. So your profit margin will be around that kind 60 to 40 to 60% if you choose the right product. Depending on how much you start with, you can see if you use 400,000 to start, imagine 50%, which is about almost 200, or 100%, which is about almost 400 for just that one importation. So imagine the kind of product it depends on the kind of product you decide to start. Number two is mobile food vendor. Nigeria really like food. You will not tell me that. So Nigeria really like food. So you can go for a place like work, where all these workers or students, right? Everyone like fast food. Even myself, I love fast food. So with around close to, let me say, 200 to 300,000, you can get all your utensils, your branding, and your packaging sorted. Instead of physical restaurant, start by cooking from home and delivering to nearby office, salon, even with dispatch rider. Focus on easy meal like jollof rice, fufu pack, spaghetti, and indomie and egg. Maybe you get like 20 order daily, right, which is 1,500 for each. You already grossing like 30,000 naira daily. You can times that by 1 month. You see that this amount you actually make. Number three is POS business. POS business is still booming in Nigeria, especially place with low access bank, like low access bank issue. So you can actually get a POS machine, pay for the license, and actually work for capital for transaction. Anytime anybody decided to withdraw, they will pay you. Anytime anybody decided to transfer money, they will pay you. Look for a busy junction or even partner with maybe small shop, give them machine, an average payment, an average POS monthly earning or daily earning. They usually earn 10,000 naira to 20,000 naira. It depends on the how busy the junction is. So you can actually open not one, not two. Let me say you are starting with maybe 200 to 300,000, right? You can actually, if you have 1 million, you can open like three or more. So imagine you are making almost close to 10,000 naira daily of 3 POS, or 20,000 naira daily of 3 POS. You can actually calculate that and see how much you will be making monthly. But if to look for agent, you can actually give maybe small shop, then give the small shop the POS, then you can pay them monthly too. Simple as that. Number four is skincare and organic beauty business. The industry is growing fast, and Nigeria, a lot of Nigeria, both men and women, they love taking care of their skin, or they love skincare. So with, let me say, 250 to 300 or even 400k, you can actually start this business. You can learn how to make products like organic soap, stretch mark oil, or even face cream. You need training, take online class, learn how to brand your product or brand your business. You can actually use social media to brand and build trust. The best part is that you can be selling a job. They can be selling a job for let me say like 500 or 1,000. You can actually sell that decent job for 2,500, 10,500. Social media is the best if you be able to get more people. So what they see online is believable, and if you're able to build trust, your product is good, your product is not kind of chemical product, all those products that a lot of all those influencers say that destroy the skin. Make sure the product is organic and good for the skin and good for the earth. Do not kill people or do not injure people's skin. For this, you can actually make a lot of money from this product. Mostly if your product is working and people test it, they prove it, and you share the proof online too, a lot of people will want to come in and buy. And before you know, you can actually take money from inside and do promotion of the product, promote by promoting or do an advert or paying an influencer to promote the product, and still yet a lot of people. But in Nigeria, we actually need proof. So if you can do it with proof of how people are testifying, then they are good to go. Number five is content creator. If you are good at talking, teaching, or even entertaining, you can actually start a course or start a channel by teaching about finance, crypto, makeup, comedy, whatever you want to do, right? With time, maybe this will start. You actually need maybe like 300 to 500,000, or even all the 1 million. Maybe you buy ring light, but if you have any phone, you can use any phone you actually have now. You can use maybe 300 or 250. You can buy. If you don't have a phone, you can actually buy a phone. Or if your camera is not that good, it's not more that your camera must be that sharp. Even if your camera is not that sharp, you can start with it. Have a good light. Light is the best part. Have a good light. Have a good mic, or you can actually have this kind of mic, this kind of a pinning mic too. Then with time, your maybe with time, you can actually start with short, maybe YouTube short, TikTok short, Instagram reel. So with time, when you build follow and build trust, you'll be having business, the get monetized, and doing affiliate product. See, with this one, you can actually make a lot of money, even more. But you can do all these one I measured, all of them I measured together. You can do everything together. There's no limit of making money, right? So this social media, you can start social media. It's not easy starting a social media account if you are not popular. If you are just starting, it's not easy. You need to you need to be consistent, building, and going making video. And if your hope is something that you feel you want to get the next day, you want to get the money the next day, you want to get the investment the next day, sorry, social media is content creator enough for you. You can actually do the rest. But if you can actually still do the rest and still promoting your content, like still doing content about skincare, still doing content about your POS, still doing content about different things, and through this social media, people can actually come to you and see started let me see coming to you and buying your product. It's still the same thing. It's still social media that you'll be using to promote them. Maybe all this skincare, you want to do your skincare, you say this is my skincare that actually work, make a video. This skincare name, before you know, the video might blow and a lot of people will be contacting you. I need your skincare, I need your skincare, I need your skincare. That's how you will boom. But if you want to go into content, I advise you to go in. Starting is hard. You might have a lot of challenges. They might even finish your channel, but you need to still keep moving. Listing 1 million is a great start, but it's not the amount that matter. What matter is consistency, also, and strategy. What you put behind the business will determine if the business will be successful or not. So you need to be consistent also and have a good strategy. Your business will not actually grow overnight. If you are thinking that I'll just do this business until grow overnight, I'll become a millionaire. It's not possible. You just have to go and do 9 to 5, because you'll be expecting that yeah, they will pay you salary monthly, and people that you are working for are actually, before they build that brand, they actually don't have sleepless night and have a lot of strategy and consistency, and also so you have to build this step by step, brick by brick. So build this step by step, build consistency, focus, and make sure what you want is what you want to eat. Make sure you are craving for it, you want to really do it. So with time and with your consistency, your focus, you will actually get the result. There is nothing without no result. There is no good positive thing without no result, even if it takes time, but you actually get the result. So if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, share, turn on the notification bell for more video like this, and always comment in the comment section what you want me to do next. And if this video I'm lagging on it, or I did not give the complete information, I also like to know in the comment section to improve more for everybody. And if you want me to do a video of our investment where you can actually invest and make other money, make your monthly or weekly return, so do let me still know, and let's go. Thanks for watching.